In today's video, I'll show you how to convert a Beautiful.ai presentation to Google Slides. First, search for Beautiful.ai in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, find and select the presentation you want to convert. This is helpful if you plan to collaborate, edit, or present using Google Slides. After opening the presentation, look at the top right corner and click Presentation. From the drop-down menu, click Export Presentation. Then select Export Presentation again to access all available export options. Next, choose Google Slides as the export format. After selecting it, click Export and wait while Beautiful.ai processes and converts your presentation. This may take a short moment depending on the file size. Once the export is complete, click Open Google Slides. Your presentation will open automatically in a new Google Slides tab under your Google account. From here, you can fully edit the presentation in Google Slides. You can adjust text, rearrange slides, update images, and apply Google Slides themes if needed. It's also a good idea to review each slide and check the layout and design to make sure everything looks correct after the conversion. And that's it. That's how you convert a Beautiful.ai presentation to Google Slides.